Hey guys! Jenny here from Capturing the Crumbs, doing a HandyGal episode. So we're starting it off. We need to have our Courage liquid here. I'm just going to make myself a drink to make sure I get the job done, and if I don't care. If you haven't had this before, I call it my Malibu Sunrise. You've got 7-Up, OJ, and a shot or maybe two of Malibu coconut rum. Alright, we'll give that a little stir. Oh yeah, it's kicking in already. Just a heads up, I am not trained to do this. So if you decide to do this, it's not based on my advice. Okay, so my dishwasher has literally become a drying rack because it stopped working. I'd say about a year ago. It just wasn't really cleaning dishes, and I found I had to either do it twice or ended up hand washing them. So all I do now is hand wash the dishes and then use this as a drying rack, which it works freaking amazing. But today I found out that it's actually supposedly pretty simple to clean your filters, which I didn't know I had, on your dishwasher. So I watched a couple YouTube videos, and we're going to give it a go. And just gonna... Alright, so for starters, I needed these pointy tools. You've got to turn... Actually, that's a lie. We're going to start up here. So, when you're taking your top rack out, there's these little clips here that stop it. So your first step is taking these clips off. And I'm actually going to come over there. There we go. One off. I'm going to come over there and move the video now so that you guys can see into the dishwasher instead of my face. So hopefully you can get a better view of what I'm doing. And sorry if you're wobbly. Just got you hanging on a spider camera holder thing. Alright. Okay. So clip number 2. Take that off. Oh, this way. Definitely haven't had enough mojo yet. There we go. Okay, now you're going to just pull this shelf right out. I'm going to have to move you out of the way. There we go. Alright, so that's off. Don't forget how you took it off. You're going to have to put it back on. And you just, that one just comes right out. I'm sure you already know that if you've got one of these dishwashers. So now, I got to enlist help from my buddy. Hey, Philip! Oh, Philip Jr. and Sr. came to help. Alright, so you need to have your buddy Philip here to hang out. Or a star screwdriver, as I like to call it. And you've got some screws here and here. You got to take this piece out. Get you a view in there. Whoop. So there's a screw over there and a screw further down. And I just took that right off. Alright. Maybe I'll hang you on my side, that way I know for sure you can see what I'm seeing. Oh. Alright. So, yeah, that's not gonna work. Sorry, guys. Got all of these tools, camera tools. They're not the easiest. Alright, so I'm gonna try to help you see here. So there's the one up top. We're gonna unscrew him. I want to sit on this, but I feel like if I sit on it, I'm gonna break it. So this is an awkward position for somebody with. Oh, the alcohol's kicking in. Oh, there we go. She's coming off. You guys seen it? Oh. I think we lost it under the filter. So, in case you didn't know, we got the filters down under there. Let's see. Alright guys, I got 5 minutes to try to boogie through this video, so I might start and stop it a couple times. Supposedly my phone decided it doesn't have enough space left. So we already lost one screw into the into the filter, so be careful with those. Alright, so now that that's off, this guy's supposed to just pop right out here. Which, look at that, it did. Ew. Okay, there you go, already goo. Gross. How's there soap up there? Like, what is that? Yuck. Oh, I need to unsee that. Alright, next up, we're going to unscrew this. So, you hold this silver piece, or gray piece, you're going to turn the wands, these things, counterclockwise, okay? I'm just going to do that, and then it's supposed to pop right off. Look at that. Alright. Now we've got more screws. So that's filter 1. So we're going to unscrew filter 1 now. Looks like 3 screws. So, uh-oh. What the fuck is that? I'm not believing. This doesn't look like regular Phillips there. Uh-oh. We need a special tool, people. What is that? That's some fancy shit right there. That was not regular screws like these ones. Nope. I don't know. I'm going to pause this for a bit. Nice and fast there. This ain't my first rodeo with a screwdriver. Alright, I'm not looking forward to this. I can just tell this is going to be nasty. Like, it's not going to go well. Alright, so now this piece is supposed to... Of course. I don't really remember how this happened. Is it the whole thing? Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah, I see that now. So this white part, you're going to turn clockwise till it's loose, pop that off. And then this whole middle piece thing here comes out. Don't lose your washer, little plastic washer there. I'm just going to kind of put that back together so I remember what's going on. Okay, oh, and we have another screw now. That I thought fit before in the videos I watched. We're gonna call him Lucy. He's not Philip anymore. I'm nicknaming him Lucy because I have no idea what kind of screw that is. Alright, so now this whole, oh my god. No wonder we have issues. There's a whole fucking measuring spoon in there. Okay. It's not as bad as okay, I lied. Ew. Okay, there's the gross. Ew, that's nasty, people. That is really nasty. So that's gonna need to go through the dishwasher. No, I'm joking. And you also are supposed to be able to like twist and wiggle this thing off so you can actually clean inside there. And you can see even on this is gross. So yeah, inside of this filter gets cleaned too. Okay, got some sticker. Oh, I need a glove. I don't know what that is. That's not supposed to be there. That is a whole chunk of something right there. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh yeah. Hey, there's some more garbage. Oh hey, Johnny's suckers in here from last year. Look at that. Nobody got hide note down in there. There's a blob of water, which means there's definitely something stuck because why else would there be water sitting in there? Yeah. Right. I'm gonna do another. Oh my god, you guys are all blurry. Jesus, Murphy. Okay, so just a recap here. We have this disgusting grossness. So if you haven't done this before, I highly recommend calling in a professional, or if you're a crazy ass bitch like me, do it yourself. And we had some more paraphernalia there. A measuring spoon. Look at this. You guys see in there? So it's all water down in there. It's all water there. And there was, yeah, grossness. So I'm gonna scrub, and I'll give you an update. Supposedly there's another piece we can pop out down there. I'll update about that after. So just gonna give you a better look now that it's lit in here. I'm getting lit too. Hell yeah. All right. So see all that? Yeah. So we're gonna clean that out, and we're gonna pop that thing off down there. I don't see the part though that other people have been popping off, so I'm wondering if mine doesn't have that. Oh, maybe I see a screw over there. So yeah, I'm gonna play around in here and see. Oh, and there's my missing screw. Found it. All right, guys. All right, guys, I'm back. So it's been about half an hour. My phone died. But if you can see, I did pop a photo in the video there to show you what it looked like. Got a second refill there going on my liquid courage, which I really needed. As you can see from the photo, it was nasty in there. Got a little tub of goodies. So we've got all the paper towels, and then you can see in here all the goop I pulled out. So there's some black in there. I don't know why it's not properly focusing for you guys. It's really annoying. But anyway, I don't want to have to wash that out again. Maybe I'll show you at the end. So I'm going to have a chug. And I'm going to get in here, and we're going to put it back together. So I'm just going to use the flashlight so you can see. So I've taken all of the pieces into the shower. I got this piece off, so we're going to figure out how to put that back on. And washed everything. So that piece is going to go back on here. Okay, so it's going to go on like that. You just line those up. Did you see that? So you just see the line. We're going to line it up. Like that. And then it just clicks back on. That's all clicked. That piece did come out inside. So there was one screw for this guy. So it sits over the blade. I'm just going to make sure you guys can still see. Yeah, it's done that thing again. Okay. So then this piece here was sitting over the blade. You can see that. There's the chopping wheel. So that is going to chop stuff up. That comes down there and try to make it smaller so it'll get drained. So this piece just plops right back on there. I'm just going to double check it's in good. I don't really think it could go back on wrong because just like nice and snug. Then we're going to put our screw back in. I had them locked up tight in here. Oh, there we go. So I believe that was this screw. No, that's this one. It's the short screw. Alright, let's screw that back in there. Alright, so he's nice and snug again. That piece is done. Next is, I'm thinking this guy might be next. Where is it, this guy? Yeah, this guy's next. So next we're gonna put that on there. so. And then this piece goes on. Don't forget your little plastic filter. Too much there. Okay, plastic filter back on. And then this is going to go back down in there. Just like so, I guess. This piece on an angle. Put her down. Screw it back in. Click. That was a lie. We got to take these off. Alright, there was a screw under here we didn't put back in. That one. So that is the fourth long one that you pulled out. I kept it separate just in case it's a little shorter, but I think it's the same length as the other three. Okay, so that one goes in that hole there. Oh, getting weak. Literally. Okay. Now, get that back in there. Okay. So, again, I'm going to put this guy on. Too far now. Just going to sit it like that. I'm going to put this on there. First time. Oh, interesting. Alright, so that thing's got to be loose. I'm trying to put it on. Okay. Then your 3 screws. Those. See, I like kind of wiped it out in here a bit. Okay, so that's on. Next, we've got this piece here, I believe. And I don't think these two matter which part they go in. But yeah, so maybe we have this guy. Click him back in here. What is this one? There we go. He's clicked back in. That one's got 2 screws to go in. And then your final piece. That one there. And you're just gonna clockwise him now. Alright, that's that. I think it's supposed to be loose like that, I'm assuming. Okay, and I'm just going to put those screws in and we're all done. Then you give it a round of applause. Woohoo! All done. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share it, and yeah, have a great day, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget we've got the drawer to put back in. And it goes in so that that piece is at the back of the dishwasher. Alright, so we're going to slide this guy on. Okay, wheels in the holes. And then we're going to put the clips back on the ends. And we're all finished. That's that. Clip. Alright, so for difficulty, if you have mobility issues like I do, I would definitely say, when it comes to how hard it is, I'd give this like a 4 out of 5. It's rough on the hips, the knees, your back. Yeah, pretty much everything. So if you suffer from any sort of arthritis or just brittle bones, I might hire someone to do this one if you're not up for the challenge. Because I am sore. I'm definitely going to go soak in an ice Epsom salt bath and finish off round 3 here. Ciao.